Where to find the dual view video recording mode on your OnePlus 12R or the 12. To find the dual video recording mode, make sure you're using the default camera app, and as you enter into it, you'll be here, and you want to just browse over until you see more. When you see more, you'll look for dual view video. And as you tap on that for the very first time here, depending on the last use option, if you were there before, you'll see it like this here. You can tap right here. That's going to give you the option for the different layouts. If you want the original half and half, where the top is your front and the bottom is this here, that's the back view here, that's up to you, okay? And you can choose the bubble one. This is going to be great for those of us who like to do like vlogs and so forth, and the same with the rectangular one here. Now, other than these set of layout options, tapping on this here will toggle which one will use the rear and the front. So right now this is the front one, and if I switch to this here, the bottom one here is going to be the front, whereas the top one here will be the rear one, and you can just switch over, and that's going to apply for the both versions here. So if I go to split here, I can switch out between those two, okay? Like and sub.